how do large 8-figure Amazon brands typically structure their PPC strategy? So what I'm seeing, especially bigger brands that we're managing structure, it's not as much about their advertising, but it's also about their inventory, and they know their limits. They see forward, they see more in the future. Now, this is not a guarantee if you're an 8-figure brand that you're going to see that or have that, because you also talk to many brand owners, lots of SKUs, and they were making 7+ figures per month. But what we noticed is that they were just not good business people generally. But the brands that are really handling well, they are getting to the 8 figures. The way how they're structuring their PPC strategy is that they understand that not only at the bottom of the funnel they should be spending, but they are spending higher and higher at the top. This is something that I'm seeing more and more brands do. And top of funnel can also mean not only PPC ads, it can be DSP, it can be MC, it can be like mixed up with something else, but it can also be, hey, I am going to advertise to, maybe I'm going to use Google ads, I'm going to use Facebook ads, I'm going to use Instagram ads, Pinterest ads, and so on and so forth. So they also have that ability that eventually it's still going to roll into our PPC ads. For example, when we would be running for these ads brand defense campaigns, even if they advertised on Google or even if they advertise on Instagram, someone who's considering their product, if they are selling, so they're advertising on Instagram and then they have the landing page that is their website and so on, and from there you can buy. Whenever I'm seeing this, because I am such an avid Amazon shopper, I'm going to say, hey, is this brand actually selling their products on Amazon? I would rather buy from Amazon. So that basically the step is conversion from Instagram ads on their website, and then from their website they navigate to Amazon, and probably they're going to look for that brand name, right? And then the conversion is going to happen on the Amazon PPC end with that brand name. Because you're advertising for it, they're going to find you. So the way I'm seeing it, it's much more, instead of just, Amazon ads and the slowest level, it's how do I create such a good structure for my Amazon ads, and how do I also have brand defense that in case that I'm running ads on different other channels and platforms, whenever they're looking for me on Amazon, for example, they are going to find me on Amazon. So that is just one of the strategies that right now I'm seeing, and it's successful when it comes down to how they're structuring their PPC strategy.